Hello, are you living in a clutter tornado? Do you have little ones that are like Tasmanian devils spinning through your house, making clutter as fast as you can clean it up? Well, it's time to draw a line in the sand and say, listen, this is not going to happen anymore. While I'm working for 15 minutes, decluttering in the kitchen, I don't want you in here making a big mess. So today, I want you to ask your children to limit what they're playing with or whatever it is they're doing. That you do not want them tearing up your house, so you have to be honest with them and say, don't mess up this house. That's a rule. You have to obey mom. That's our house rule. And so when you go into the kitchen, you can get your work done decluttering, or the living room, or wherever it is, and your children won't be undoing it as fast as you can do it. Now, a thing to do for little ones, if you have 4 and 5 year olds, and even 3 and 6 year olds, is give them a rag and let them help you clean. But other than that, if you have 7-year-olds, 8-year-olds, 9-year-olds, 12-year-olds, 17-year-olds who are undoing as fast as you do, then it's time to sit down and have a true conversation and say, this is what I expect of you. This is the behavior I expect, and this will be the consequence if you don't. I know it's tough, but it's going to make a big difference in your life. Have a great day.